What are some actionable skills you need to master Etsy to make money like you? That's kind of a weird question. To be honest, it's more like mastering the platform and everything else helps, right? Like if you just understand how to make good product images, that's always going to help you. If you understand how to help with customer service, then that's always good, right? So if you understand how to communicate well with customers, that's always going to help you. If you understand how to, what's a good thing to understand? If you understand how to work hard, I mean, that's not really, it's kind of a skill, kind of not. To be honest, it's more about understanding the platform as a specific thing than understanding any specific skills. It's like, do you understand English? Okay, cool, that's a skill. That's gonna help you. Do you understand good product images? Do you understand how to manage and be organized when it comes to operations? Do you understand how to manage employees and speak well and correctly to employees? Do you know how to teach people? Do you understand how to communicate with customers, customer service? If you understand all these different things, there's a bunch of different skills there. If you understand all these little things, then you'll always do well, right? You'll always do well no matter what the thing is, right? And then, yeah, like in terms of comparing Shopify dropshipping to Etsy, a lot more skill is required to do Shopify dropshipping. Just purely because you don't have to make the ads, you don't have to make the website, you don't have to do things like this.